we are on our way to Vancouver, and I'm going to show you everything we eat on this trip, from our flight from Vancouver to Tokyo, Tokyo to Singapore. Here is our first snack. We've got a little Biscoff cookie and a ginger ale. Somebody already ate his, and an orange juice. First leg of the trip. Okay, we got our second flight, first meal here. Luke got the beef and rice. Also came, it came with this adorable little bun. We've got some corn and then soba noodles, and then a brownie for dessert.
Oh yeah.
So we'll see how it tastes. And then I got the chicken and rice. That looks pretty good. Same thing, a little bun, my brownie, and my vegetables, soba. And very cool. I don't know if this is just mandatory now, but like all our utensils are wooden utensils, so eco-friendly. We'll see how it tastes. This is the soba. Should we do a taste test?
Yeah, here we go.
It's almost like, tastes like nothing. And I don't know if it's the wooden fork, but it gives me cardboard vibes.
Alright.
But it's not horrible, it's cold. Kind of refreshing, like a palate cleanser. Okay, Luke is eating the corn and edamame beans.
It's good. It's interesting.
Refreshing?
Yeah, it's like a cold salad that we should try and like replicate at home.
I think there's some sort of sesame oil or something.
Yeah.
And then I'm having my chicken and rice here. Sorry, not a flattering view at all. I added a little salt and pepper because it was pretty plain. But so far it tastes not bad. I'm going to take a little steal from Luke's beef. No, it's more of like a saucy, like cabbagey feel to it. But I like mine. It's not bad. We'll see how it goes. We get 2 meals on this flight. And so far, not too bad. The chicken's actually somewhat tender, not too dry, which I'd be worried about normally. And then we'll see how the brownie is, but we'll probably save that for a bit later.
Yeah, right.
Okay, Luke will do a review for the brownie because he's on it. How's the brownie?
Really good. It's very soft.
Very soft.
Not too sweet.
She's thick.
It's delicious.
Alright, I'm glad you're enjoying it.
8 out of 10.
8 out of 10, he says.
Might eat yours.
Great with a movie. We are halfway through the flight, 5 hours in. The lighting's not great, but we are at snack time. They brought us tuna sandwiches and more of our Biscoff cookies. So that's kind of nice. I'm not actually too hungry, and we're very snacky in general, so.
We're like over the North Pole.
We're over the North Pole right now.
So cool. You should take a look at this.
Okay, let me flip the camera here.
Okay, well, not the North Pole, but like that's Alaska. I'm like, I think that's Russia. So like,
There we go.
super cool.
5 more hours, and then we're in Japan, and then 7.5 more till Singapore.
Oh my god.
Alright, the tuna sandwich is very mediocre. The bread feels a little bit hard. And you know what? We were saying how it's a little risky that they use this on the plane, considering it's like smelly food. It doesn't actually smell too strong, and it was okay.
Wow.
But Luke devoured his, but he's a big tuna sandwich guy. Would you agree though? The bread is kind of like blah. Also, I'm just like a white bread girl, not like a whole wheat. I know it's not good for me, but I just can't get past it. God, I look like I'm wearing like a neck collar. Stay tuned for a review on these ostrich pillows. We'll see. We bought them on Amazon. Okay, I think this is considered breakfast service now.
Yeah.
This is still from the flight from Vancouver to Tokyo. We got a pork noodle, fruits, the little bun again, and yeah, the other option was an egg, and obviously we went for noodles.
Obvious.
Alright, that fucking dude. What's happening here with the cameraman?
I don't know, man.
Okay. It's also a little bit late. But, you know, for airplane food, not bad. And I'm really hungry right now, so better than nothing. Alright, last leg of the trip. I think we're arriving in Singapore in about an hour. We're going on 27 hours since we left home. We actually missed the meal time on this airline, so we're on Nippon Airlines, and it was a 7-hour flight, but Luke and I pretty much passed out as soon as we got here, so I don't actually have any food meal to show you guys, but they did just hand out these little snack buns. We're not sure what kind it is. Don't know if I'll dig it into it right away. Nope. Luke's digging in, he'll let you know. And then they have these really good little rice crackers that I just had, and they're a little spicy, so we're honestly not that hungry, and I was not feeling great after the landing to Tokyo, so we just were ready to take it easy, not eat much, get to Singapore without any troubles. Alright, what kind of bun is it?
I don't know.
I don't know. Let's see. Okay, looks kind of like a cheese.
Maybe.
Is there cheese or something? Or like
Doesn't really taste like anything.
a custard? Okay. Tastes like nothing. Well, guess I'm gonna save that for later and bank on some good Singapore breakfast. Okay. First snack on Japan Airlines from
Rice.
Singapore to Japan.
Rice cracker.
Rice crackers? Tasty? That's good. Good start. Okay, we got our meal on Japan Airlines. We both got a beef Thai curry. We got some fruit, soba noodles. Looks like maybe a seaweed or vegetable salad, pasta salad, and then a cup of miso soup, which was optional, and some water. And we're actually like impressed. It looks like they use like real metal utensils here. So again, a bit more eco-friendly than plastic. It's a cold pasta salad.
It's like room temperature.
Oh, okay. Nice.
Yep.
So we'll take a few bites of the other things and see how it is. The vegetable and tofu salad is actually really good. Good flavor. How's the soba noodles?
Yep.
Yeah, good flavor. Luke said there's some wasabi. Is it spicy?
A little bit, yeah.
A little bit of a spicy kick to it. Oh. It's always so hard eating airplane food after just like feasting in the Singapore city for so long. So it's okay though. It's actually not too bad. Okay, and then the main dish, we've got the Thai curry with beef. Oh, it's like a really nice coconut flavor. The beef is actually really tender. Vegetables are just like steamed and bland, but that's okay. Good mix. It's actually quite good. Maybe one of the better meals that we've had on the airplane. Tough to say though. Luke is a lucky, happy man. They just came around to serve us ice cream after our meals.
Little like horseshoe footprint too.
That is so cute.
That's adorable.
This is a dark chocolate flavor. Oh, it comes with a spoon. Well, there you go.
Let's go frozen.
Is it good?
It's good, actually.
It's probably the first time we've ever had ice cream in the 40,000 feet above there.
This is amazing.
Alright, Japan Airlines for the win. Oh, and they also came around with hot towels for our hands, which was nice. We're in a 2-seater, like in the economy class.
Canada, step it up.
And lots of space. Actually pretty comfortable. It's making this 6-hour, 7-hour flight feel pretty quick.
Yep.
So, no complaints. Okay, we've got our first meal on the flight back from Japan to Vancouver. Luke is fighting with the butter. It's very cold and hard and not spreading very well. So, not great. He tried this salad. It's a pasta salad. Also not good apparently. We've got some sort of noodle that you pour this sauce on top. I haven't tried that one yet. Luke's got the beef and rice. And I've got the chicken and rice. I'm just heating my buns, trying to warm it on the tin foil here. Might be working a little bit. And there's the chicken and pasta, it looks like. Chicken pasta. It's not bad. It kind of tastes like just canned pasta sauce. The chicken was not too bad though. How was the beef verdict?
It's pretty good.
Beef is not bad with the rice. Is it like Asian flavored?
Not really.
No.
Like butter flavored.
Butter beef rice. Alright. Yeah, not probably maybe one of the worst meals we've had so far, unfortunately. Just to end off, this came with also a bitter chocolate pound cake. So, I've honestly brought lots of snacks from Japan that I might just eat those for dessert. We'll see. Alright, this is it. I think our last airplane meal on the trip. We had the choice of noodles or omelet, and I obviously went for noodles. Came with a little side cup of fruit, a bun with some jam and butter, and a little water. Luke's verdict so far on the noodles was pretty mediocre. Yep, that's pretty bland. There's like no sauce or much flavor to it. Pretty standard for what I would expect on an airplane meal. Overall, I have to go back and look at some of the videos, but I want to say from Tokyo to Singapore was one of our better meals. No, whatever one had like a beef curry type thing. I don't think it was Japan to Singapore because I think we actually skipped that meal because we fell asleep. But yeah, all like nothing special, I suppose, but somewhat palatable at least. So I guess that's the best we could ask for as an airplane meal, especially after such a big foodie trip. You can't really compare the food. Oh well. Thanks for following.